Everybody, it is Brian from quantlabs.net here. I just wanted to go over some big changes again. I seem to be changing my software, my versions of everything, like I change underwear, which is not very often. Anyways, what you're looking at is I just rebuilt a new Ubuntu desktop version, the current version of 12.04. It's got the basics. It's a clean install with R and RStudio and Mango running all in the background. There's a number of reasons for this. Let me just show you a posting that is part of this video. There's a few tricks that you need to understand when you're creating your Ubuntu. And then you are going to work with a package called RMongo for the integration between the MongoDB and your R. First of all, the big trick that I came across was don't use the OpenJDK 7. Only use OpenJDK 6 because that's going to mess up your install of RJava, which is a package dependency for the RMongoDB, RMongo R package. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Here's my RStudio in again Ubuntu 12.04, which is right here. Then you also have the RJava. Let me just find it here. Right here. Now, in order to install this, you need to make sure you have, as I said, the OpenJDK 6. I'm sure the hotspot from Sun or Oracle will work, but just do not use 7. It took me many hours to figure that out. So, once you've got the RMongo and the RJava working, you should be able to do a variety of interaction with your database with the RMongo. So obviously you activate the RMongo package. Just ignore these are all rubbish. But I've got a database in the MongoDB called MyDB. Now that's from a standard tutorial that you'll find on the MongoDB website. It shows you how to just do a simple create of MyDB or a database within Mongo. So what you do is you connect to your database. In my case, it's where is it? Right here. So you connect into the database. Yeah, right here. This is the real crust of it. This MongoDB, connect, MyDB. And then what you do is you want to show the collections of all your collections, I guess. I don't know the terminology yet for MongoDB. But there is a default one called things. So essentially what you could do is then you can do a DB query on results. In my case, I did this line right here. Works fine. You can do a names on the query of things, which is here obviously. Here's the object, and then it creates this name. And that's all I cared about. I just wanted to show that you can connect into your database, your Mongo database from your RStudio. And then obviously once you're all done, you want to close it off. So everything looks cool. It is working. I've put up a bunch of postings about how to get Mongo DB set up within something like an Ubuntu. I would suggest using probably a very clean install of your Ubuntu or whatever Linux version you're going with, and also just do a simple apt get. Let me just show you what I mean here. Alright, here we go. So if I do a simple this is so new to me, this new okay, so let me just show you what I mean. If you just do an apt get Mongo, I believe it was, I've got a posting of that on which apt Mongo, that should be a nice easy install for you to get your MongoDB set up, as well as then you can do your Mongo shell set of commands like here, and that's it. So I've got my use DB. Now remember, I'm fairly new to it, so I don't know, but it sort of works. But do further check it out. I just want to show you the checklist that you might need to get R with MongoDB working. As long as you follow these steps up from starting here, you should be okay. I've got them posted on the blog anyways, so this should be pretty easy to do. Got questions, let me know.